Hello dear friends, hope you all are doing good. This video is exclusively for meat lovers as it is the making of beef fry in Kerala style. For this recipe, 1 kg bite-sized cut Indian beef is taken and to it is added 1 tablespoon chopped ginger garlic, some small pieces of fresh coconut, 4 to 5 shallots, curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of meat masala powder, salt and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is then pressure cooked for about 20 minutes. The cooking time varies according to the type of meat used. In another pan, around 30 shallots are sauteed in 3 tablespoons of coconut oil until golden brown, and then 1 tablespoon of fennel powder and red chili flakes are added to it. Next goes a tablespoon of homemade meat masala. Now the excess water left over from the cooked meat is poured into this onion mixture and allowed to combine well, which may take around 7 to 8 minutes. Later the cooked meat is mixed with this masala, adding a dash of pepper powder, fenugreek powder. The meat is then roasted on low flame until the oil starts to be visible and covered with the masala. Here goes the yummy and authentic beef fry of Kerala. Do try this recipe if you are a meat lover, and also let me know how you liked about it. I'll meet you again with another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.